Hi, this is Ming Tsai, chef owner of Blue Ginger. I want to show you how easy it is to make a tasty dish, simple, but also free of all allergens. This dish has no soy, wheat, dairy, shellfish, peanuts, tree nuts, eggs, or fish. But it's still tasty. It's a turkey fried rice. Let's go ahead and get started. We have a wok here at Blue Ginger. You can just use a saute pan, a little bit of canola oil, and you got to add flavor. So my first amount of flavor is going to be this, which is minced garlic and minced ginger. All right, add that in. Move that around. Then we're going to add basically mirepoix, as they call it in France. It's onions, celery, and carrots. All right. So this is one way I can sneak in some carrots for those children that may not like to eat their vegetables. So I like to mix a little bit of that in. Now we have this. This is regular sliced turkey meat. I use organic. I like the smoked one too, so I use the smoked turkey meat. That goes in. Then I'm going to move this around. Just give it a mix. Just a touch of oil there. Now, mix this around, and obviously this turkey meat is fully cooked, so you don't have to worry about cooking it through. You just have to worry about getting it hot. And then I'm going to mix both white rice and brown rice. So this is a fried rice. I love the nuttiness of brown rice. Some children, mine included, when they eat straight brown rice, it's a little bit too strong in flavor. So I think a 50-50 mixture is good. All right, this dish is done. Just a touch of salt, not too much, right? Because sliced turkey has salt. A little bit of cracked black pepper. All right, this is pretty much good. As always, just give it a try. You don't know if it's good until you try it. Hey, that's pretty good. All right, let's plate this up. Now look how beautiful and easy this is. So obviously I made a good amount, so I'm not going to put it all in here. But if you have a growing family with boys and girls and a hungry husband or wife, that is plenty of food, easily done. And I like to take a little bit of green scallions and just put it on top. And voila, guys. Turkey fried rice with no allergens. As always, peace and good eating.